Hello, here is FCNFM. Turn waste into warmth biomass wood pellet maker. Transform sawdust, wood chips, or scrap into clean-burning fuel. Our biomass wood pellet machine creates eco-friendly pellets for your home stove or industrial use. Reduce waste, save money, and heat sustainably. This versatile machine is perfect for farms, workshops, or any business looking for a smarter heating solution. More things made in China. More biomass pellet machine made in China. If you want to know more, please contact us.